Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Roblox piano and choosing Auto Mode. This lets the system handle keystrokes for you. Once done, pick the song and set the tempo. Faster songs need precise timing. Make sure you have permission to use Auto in that server, because servers sometimes block scripts or macros. Also, lower latency and enable headphones so audio cues match notes accurately. These steps give a stable foundation, so Auto can play smoothly without missed notes or sync drift. Now you configure Auto's internal settings to match the environment. Change playback speed and test 0, 5 to 1x depending on lag. Next, check the key mapping. Confirm the layout matches the piano's note assignment so notes land on the correct keys. Once mapped, run a short test of one measure to observe timing and adjust delays. If the Auto tool offers smoothing or delay compensation, enable it to reduce jitter and prevent doubled notes. These adjustments improve accuracy across different servers. Begin full playback and watch how Auto processes the note stream. You're listening for missed notes or consistent timing offsets. If notes skip, increase the delay in small steps or reduce playback speed by 5 to 10% because tiny changes often fix sync issues. If problems persist, rejoin the server and clear cache, then retest mappings. Sometimes server rules block Auto and a fresh connection helps. Finally, if Auto is outright blocked, contact the server owner for permission or guidance before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.